Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a real estate site with Zillow step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Zillow website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Zillow account. Navigate to the Post a Listing section. Select the type of property you want to list. Fill out the required details about the property. Include the address, price. Upload high-quality images of the property. Add descriptions that highlight the property's strengths. Use relevant keywords to optimize your listing. Choose the appropriate categories for your listing. Set your listing to be public for maximum exposure. Review your listing for accuracy and completeness. Click the Submit button to publish your property. Promote your listing on social media platforms for additional reach. Engage with potential buyers through messages on Zillow. Monitor the performance of your listing regularly. Make adjustments based on viewer feedback and inquiries. Keep your contact details updated for interested buyers. Consider using Zillow's additional marketing tools for further exposure. Stay informed about local market trends to attract buyers effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.